Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to Accessibility or Display. This gets you to Magnification controls. Once there, tap Zoom or Display Size to see current levels. This shows why items appear large. Make sure magnification gestures or pinch to zoom are enabled. You need that control active to change scale. If your phone has a dedicated zoom toggle, turn it off briefly to reset, then proceed to the zoom adjustment screen so you can reduce scale. Now, pinch with 2 fingers inward to zoom out or drag the display size slider toward smaller values. This directly reduces UI scale. As you change it, check the home screen and an app to confirm legibility versus screen real estate. This explains how much to reduce. If text remains large, adjust font size under display. Once done, make small incremental changes and wait a second for the system to render each step so you don't overshoot and need to revert. Finish by applying the chosen zoom or display size setting and then test common apps to ensure nothing overlaps. If elements look off, restart the phone. That often fixes rendering. If zoom controls are unresponsive, reset accessibility or temporarily disable magnification and re-enable it. That clears stuck states. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps altering scale. This single troubleshooting step usually reveals whether the issue is system-wide or caused by an app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.